All right, in our last example, example 20, we need to yet again set these two equations equal to each other and solve it. All right, because it's a quadratic, that means factoring. So we're going to take negative x squared minus 12x minus 37, and we're going to equal it to negative 2x minus 16. So let's figure this out. We need to move everything to the x squared side. So that means we're going to add 2x here, add 2x here under its like term. Then we are going to add 16 and add 16. So negative x squared, negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10x, and negative 37 plus 16 is negative 21. And it's going to equal 0 since both of those canceled out. So yet again, we have a pesky negative 1, but we simply factor it out by dividing everything by a negative 1. And that negative 1 is going to move to the outside of a parentheses. So on the inside, we have negative over negative is a positive 1x squared. Negative 10 over negative 1 is a positive 10x. Negative 21 over negative 1 is a positive 21 equals 0. Now we can factor this inside part by looking at 21. Factors are 1 and 21 and 3 and 7. This tells me they need to be the same. Okay, this tells me they both need to be positive. So plus, 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 and plus. So now I combine 1 and 21. Does that give me 10? Nope. Does 3 plus 7 give me 10? Yep. So there's your factors. Negative 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 7 equals 0. Now we set these two factors equal to each other. So I take x plus 3 equals 0 and x plus 7 equals 0. And now we solve. Minus 3, so x equals negative 3. Minus 7, so x equals negative 7. So we have my two solution points, or the x values of my solution points, negative 3 and negative 7. And we're going to plug those in to the second equation here, okay, because this one's easier to work with. So we're going to take g of x equals negative 2x minus 16, and we're going to plug in the first is x equals negative 3. So g of negative 3 equals negative 2 times negative 3 minus 16. Simplifying it out, negative 2 times negative 3 is 6 minus 16. 6 minus 16 is negative 10. So g of negative 3 equals negative 10. So negative 10 goes in here. Now we're going to find what happens when we set x equal to negative 7. So g of negative 7 equals negative 2 times negative 7 minus 16. All right, negative 2 times negative 7 is 14, minus 16 is negative 2. So g of negative 7 is negative 2. And there are our solution points. Negative 3, 10, and negative 7, 2. No, I'm sorry, negative 7, negative 2. That is where they both intersect each other.